In this video, we are converting numbers between base 10 and base 2, looking at change of base between decimal and binary. In this example, we're going to convert 46 from decimal into binary and convert 110101 from binary into decimal. So starting with the conversion from decimal to binary. So the rule is to repeatedly divide by 2 and record each remainder. We start with 46. 46 divided by 2 equals 23, remainder 0. Then we do 23 divided by 2 equals 11, remainder 1. Then we take the 11 divided by 2 is equal to 5, remainder 1. Next we do the 5 divided by 2 equals 2, remainder 1. Then the 2 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 0. And finally 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. To get our binary number, we read these remainders from bottom to top. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 46 in decimal, converting to binary, is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now to convert from binary into decimal. Here we use each binary position's value and add them together. We start with 110101, setting up our place value table. Our powers of 2 go from 2 to the power 5 down to 2 to the power 0. This gives us place values of 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. Entering our binary bits into the table, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we now multiply the place values by the bits. 1 times 32 equals 32, 1 times 16 equals 16, 0 times 8 equals 0, 1 times 4 equals 4, 0 times 2 equals 0, and 1 times 1 equals 1. So adding these values together, 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 gives us 53. Therefore, 110101 in binary equals 53 in decimal.